Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the SSD in your HP 15BW25NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. You will typically find around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the existing hard drive. It will be housed in a metal bracket. Unscrew the screws holding the bracket in place and gently slide the hard drive out. Take note of how it is connected, as you will need to replicate this with your new SSD. Now take your new SSD and insert it into the same slot where the hard drive was located. Ensure it is securely connected, and then replace the metal bracket, securing it with the screws you previously removed. At this point, if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before proceeding. Once the SSD is securely in place, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust from the fans and other components. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. After cleaning, carefully replace the back panel of your laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, if you remove the battery, reinsert it and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on and enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. You may need to format the SSD before use, which can be done through your operating system. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient solution to your laptop needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.